You know those posts you see online? The ones promising some hidden secret that's going to completely change your life? Well, today we're going to tear one of those apart. This one went totally viral, claiming to have a forbidden money rule used by the world's richest people. Let's see what's really going on.
And it kicks off with this massive claim, pulled right from the source. The idea that someone like Jeff Bezos runs his entire life, every single decision, through just one filter. I mean, come on, that's a heck of a hook, right? It immediately makes you go, okay, what is that filter?
And there it is. That's the big promise. This isn't just some random tip. It's framed as a secret, something that was hidden away in a leaked memo and was never meant for your eyes. The message is clear. If you just knew this one thing, your whole financial situation could flip. That's the exact question we're digging into.
So, to really get what's happening here, first, we need to look at how this message is built. We're going to do a little dissection and look at the anatomy of this viral hook, piece by piece.
Okay, so look at the words they're using here. The stuff is so deliberate. When they say forbidden rule, that's designed to make you feel like you're getting exclusive, secret knowledge. Leaked memo, that makes it feel real, urgent, like you're reading something you shouldn't be. And my favorite, tired of being lied to. That creates an instant connection, a feeling of shared frustration, which makes you want to trust the person telling you this.
What's crazy is you can actually boil this down to a simple formula. Step 1. Name drop some huge authorities, right? Musk, Bezos, that gives it instant credibility. Step 2. Promise a secret, something forbidden. Step 3. Offer a super dramatic, simple result. And finally, Step 4. Create a common enemy, this sense of us versus them, the people who've been lying to you. It is an incredibly powerful recipe for getting clicks and shares.
And check out how specific the promise is. It's not just, I got rich. It's, I stopped being broke in 60 days. That little detail is so smart because it makes the whole thing feel concrete, like it's a real measurable plan you could follow. It makes it feel achievable and fast.
All right, so we've analyzed the hook, the promise, the psychology behind it, but that brings us to the most important part of all. Let's actually find the secret they're talking about. This is it. This is the moment we've been building up to. After all that hype, the billionaires, the leaked memos, the promise of a 60-day life makeover, we have to ask the question that everyone's thinking. So, what is the rule?
And here's the punchline. The original source never actually says what the rule is. Seriously. After all that buildup, the one piece of information you came for is just gone. It's not there.
Now, this isn't a mistake. It's a very specific technique, and it has a name, engagement bait. See, the goal of this post isn't to inform you. It's to make you react. By leaving out the most important part, it practically forces you to comment, to ask questions, and, most importantly, to share it, hoping someone else in your network has the answer. So the real trick here is that you become the engine for making it go viral. The post gives you the feeling of having a secret, and what do we all want to do with a juicy secret? We want to share it. This creates this perfect viral loop where the content just spreads and spreads, without ever delivering anything of actual substance. But understanding all this gives us something really powerful. The real takeaway here isn't some fake money rule from a billionaire. It's a tool, a new kind of filter, that you can use every single day to spot this kind of thing. So let's build it.
And this is the big pivot. We're going to replace their imaginary money filter with something way more useful, a real critical thinking filter. Think of it like a mental tool that lets you look at any piece of content and ask, wait a minute, what's really going on here?
And using it is super simple. It's just 4 steps. First, identify the promise. What are they actually offering me? Second, question the motive. Why did someone create this? What's in it for them? Third, and this is the big one, spot the gaps. What key information is conveniently missing? And finally, evaluate the action. What does this post want me to do? And in this case, the answer is simple. Just share it.
Once you start running things through this filter, it's almost like you have a superpower. You'll be able to instantly tell the difference between content that's genuinely trying to be valuable and content that's just viral marketing designed to spread itself. It really puts you back in the driver's seat.
So, we'll leave you with this thought. The next time you're scrolling and you see some secret or some forbidden knowledge being offered up for free, just pause, apply that filter, and ask yourself, what's the real price of this free advice? Is it my attention? Is it my trust? Or is it just turning me into part of their marketing machine?